In this video, I'm going over how to add a WhatsApp button on a WordPress website step by step. Adding a WhatsApp button in WordPress is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you will successfully have your WhatsApp button added to your WordPress website. Let's get started. To start, I'm here in the WordPress dashboard. Hover over the Plugins tab in the left side menu. Click Add Plugin. In the search field, type in Click to Chat. You'll see the Click to Chat plugin showing here. Click the Install Now button. Once it is done installing, click the Activate button. Once it is done activating the plugin, find Click to Chat in the left side menu. Click it. You'll see WhatsApp number. Put in the WhatsApp number, WhatsApp business number here. Next is the pre-filled message. This is what will show when someone clicks on the WhatsApp button. Next, you'll see Call to Action. If you hover over the WhatsApp button over to the right, you'll see it says WhatsApp Us. You can change this to whatever you like here in the Call to Action field. Next, you'll see Style, Position section. You can select from different styles to show. You'll see the different styles over to the right as you click on each style. I'll choose Style 2 for mine. Next, scroll down and you'll see the position type is set to fixed. Position to place, you can change it if you want the WhatsApp button to show at the top of the page or bottom. You'll see 15px next to it. You can change this number to change the placement. Next, you can change the WhatsApp button to be on the left of the page or right. You can do the same with the 15px and change it to show over to the side, more on the page. Underneath, you'll see mobile and desktop same settings. If you click this, you can have the custom style for desktop devices and then have a different style for mobile devices. You do the same just as I went over above. If you want desktop and mobile devices to have the same style, just click the mobile and desktop same settings tab to change it back. Next, scroll down to the URL structure section. You'll see desktop. You can choose for the link to open in a new tab, a pop-up, or the same tab. Desktop URL structure, you'll see default wa.me. This will open the WhatsApp desktop app. If you choose web WhatsApp, it'll open up the WhatsApp website. I'll choose default wa.me as this is the most popular. You'll see the mobile URL structure, same thing as above. You can choose default or the WhatsApp website. Next, scroll down to the display settings section. You'll see desktop and mobile. You can select to hide the WhatsApp button on a certain device if you want by clicking the Hide tab. Where you see Global, you can choose to show the WhatsApp button to show on all pages of your website, or you can select to hide it on all pages. You'll see the Overwrite the Global Settings section here. You can choose to hide or show the WhatsApp button for the different selection. Next, where you see Post IDs, you can choose to hide certain pages on your website. You can hide it from showing on certain category pages. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes to save your changes. Now let's view the WhatsApp button on our website. I'll hover over my site title name at the top. I'll click Visit Site, and you'll see the WhatsApp button showing here. That's all there is to it. That's how to add a WhatsApp button on a WordPress website. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.